Hi YouTube. Well, today I'm at Flash Custom Fabrication here in Brigham City, Utah, and there's a phone number in case you want to connect up to it and if you got some work to be done. What I'm doing, I've got the inside all done, but if you may remember, they put storage compartments underneath, but we didn't do anything other than just install them. They go back 18 inches, and I got another 10 inches back here that makes no sense to waste that, and I'll be able to get a lot more storage. And because my exhaust pipe fell off that was right there, I'm going to add a fourth box. So I'm going to reroute the exhaust. So the first step is this is Sean, and he's going to be doing all the work here. I'm just the gopher. We're going to cut the back of the boxes off, and we got some material on the way to weld it in, and we'll get these boxes made bigger, do a little modification to the hanger system, and get them back in. So fun. It's nice to see somebody who loves their work. Okay, because this has got two boxes. I modified it for the deeper. Now he's got to cut the bigger hole, and we got to get this to be like that. Okay, end of day one. Got this modified for deeper boxes, and the front one rebuilt so that it can have two boxes and deeper. We're going to call it a night. Get back at it first thing tomorrow. This is Santa's demented little elf. Okay, this is how it started. We're adding this, and you got to weld it at this bowed a little bit, so you got to clamp it down, get that, and while he's doing that, I'm taking one over, grabbing my grinder, and cut the back off. So we'll help the process along a little bit. Okay, the 4 boxes are done. This one, he cut an angle to go around that angle you'll strut right there, and we got to sort them out and get them in so that I can bolt them down while Sean's working on the floor of the big one, big storage on the other side. So let's get to it and sort this out. like a glove. Okay, we got the two in the back here, and this one, see if I can open it up, is the one I used to have a small drawer in. I made a big drawer and I fit across. Airline comes in off my brakes, so I can use this compressor or whatever in the control. But you see how deep it is? It used to be only to here, so that's all extra. And I've added another one up front. It's a slightly different style. Things I didn't like about this is they do tend to leak. This one has a lip all the way around and good gasket, so this one should be, I'm going to use this one for things that need to be stored dry, filters and parts, things like that. But I figured out by adding on 10 inches in the back of each one, the three I had, we increased my storage capacity 100%. Adding in a fourth one is another 100%. So I now have 200% of the storage I had before. And these are all done. On this side, I'm gonna repaint the bus, but while this is going on, Sean this was the factory installed floor of this storage compartment. So Sean's cutting out all the rust and gonna put a new floor in there, and then I'll be able to trust it. For the last 4 years, I've only put things in there that I didn't care if the bottom fell out and I lost them on the highway. Highway patrol would have cared, but you know, I probably would have noticed and gone back and picked them up. All right, so that's probably it. I'm not going to show you the inside of that one when he's done. It's just going to have a new floor. But this is the big part of the story, is adding in these storage, or the capacity. So yeah, I'm happy. It means I can get more stuff on the less stuff bus. Go figure. All right, I'll see you down the road, YouTube. Safe travels.
So is that one?
Yep.
Now, did those wires come in? Did that stuff come in through that hole?
Maybe.
There's still a little bit of room back there, but we might have to pull.
Jumped off the wagon and he spread out his hands. Brace yourselves and come for your women. We will do what we please. If this is for your blood,